So, I went to the game store today, and guess what I got? Oh yeah, brand new. Anyway, let's unbox this baby. Stupid tape. So we got some artwork, which is neat. Okay. So here it is, the Destiny Bundle Pack. Let's see what's inside. Ooh! Isn't it pretty? Look at all that white. Got the manuals. Look at that controller. It's so elegant. So beautiful. Ooh, isn't that nice? Pure white. Cool. Got the system. Ooh, look at that nice white finish. Ooh, it is pretty. It is very nice, very nice. And then there's the Destiny game. Right where it should be. Perfect. You got the cords. Here's standard HDMI. AV cable. Nice. Got your charger. Perfect. And this nice little headset. And that's all, folks. Hope you've enjoyed the unboxing.